Hey guys, how to set password on Android phone. Worried someone might access your Android phone without permission? The easiest way to protect your files and apps is by setting a strong password. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to set a secure password on your Android phone step by step. Now first of all, open Settings. And scroll down, you see the security, click on it. And then scroll down, click Screen Lock. If your phone is already locked, it will give you a password. If not, it will open directly. And you any password setup, for example SWIP or pattern, click on it. And click down Next. And set your strong password. And click the Next. And again enter the same password, and click Next. And that's it, your Android phone is now password protected. No one can access your personal data without your permission. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Stay safe and secure.